It's here for Yebamunia Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yesterday and there your first time waha. Subscribe and click the notification bell on the mine. Latest news be about Sabeka Metro send your bell screen so now what this is pepe amine. About screen so this year in no time. We will screen so okay and down screen so no subscribe and no way me bell on the so. Latest news be about Sabeka. Mr. Number na e screen as here and so no. Asembia wo pese ya kasafa ho pese ya de oto sembi sebia wo pese obisa ye make story bi wo hwe na se anko ye a obetumi afre yen obetumi ene yen edi nkomo na ye betrel enyaman ni so owia your Facebook page Melodies Podcast page no link no e wo description box ni mo munia mudi adanse se nya bibia na ye betumi e posti ato ye YouTube there no Facebook page ne be post at one me share follow Facebook page ne so it for yanko yensem so you name him say AFCON the African Cup of Nation AFCON Ghana ye filmu ya say still na no young for ya because senior a D4 e wo kro ha na kro mu ha a share a year income say you be winning ye be say the day are you captain say na be ma ye win na say Ghana for na dodo na e wo a year vim but I said dodo na e wo GD say Ghana be winning in say ye film sa no e yankofo bebre ya na onipa ba ko a wo share income ana video say Ghana film no ye benya video bi e be call viral of Owusu Bempah anankofo esusu say Owusu Bempah share income say Ghana against Tunisia no ye be share Tunisia na ye win but Tunisia for be share yen nti na nankofo eka say and the say Owusu Bempah income a wo share no ankoye just say atro eno ne nsema nkrofo eka before ameba ehun nsem na Owusu Bempah the response no yankonko fasa audio no yentie asema Owusu Bempah wo kan na yembra embe dissect nsem Owusu Bempah kan me wi a embra wo ho amesan so abo Owusu Bempah the response to this particular statement Ghana for kan say wa share enkoma enimu no nti yankonko tie audio before Ghana and Tunisia match no the Owusu Bempah kan
Blaster Bebo match Monday. Blaster Beshe. Hallelujah. Ebo drosho ebo penalty. Penalty omuni bebo po. But yampa penalty. Blaster Beshe. Go Blaster. Blaster Bebo match Monday. Blaster Beshe. Hallelujah. Ebo drosho ebo penalty. Penalty omuni bebo po. But yampa penalty. Blaster Beshe. Go Blaster.
It's here for into no mwati nsema Owusu Bempah editu ja na church service na wo hwe oil egu nkrofo so e na sorry e na woka assembly na send ya moamudim no channel we there nsema ye kania no no cre member ha say embe twantro entu obi so per the video and per the audio amabo actual no Owusu Bempah eka say Blasters be she ya be ko penalty nkrofo no wo the penalty no ebe pimpo sana Owusu Bempah ekan Owusu Bempah ana audio no and trace Owusu Bempah say nyame ya treme but Ghana for enim Owusu Bempah say nsem bia woka no say Owusu Bempah nka say oh we nyame na ya treme krana because of the brand he has no yehu no say eye nyame na ya che no em say the make no say mo beti ase a ya fan say Owusu Bempah ehia wo bi ewo krom na wokata say wo ochina obi disca bi bebro ochina wo bi beche oka Owusu Bempah kasa asem no wan kan je ni pa kono say nyame na yi ahwe me say ochina wo bi obi beche oka o but because we know Owusu Bempah to be a prophet wokeka nsem bisa no ana wo hyehye nkom efa nkrofo ho no nipa bi chim no ebeye ne say nyankopon ena eyi ache Owusu Bempah even though Owusu Bempah has never said and Owusu Bempah enkai say nyame na eyi ache me no because we know him that way no Wow team no wobeka say oh and then nyame na eyi no. This is a similar situation. Yes, technically no wo so bempa anka say nyame na eyi no say we na besi Blasters we na besi also bempa anka bibiasa. So it could be say just a normal prediction. It's therefore in some American mountain you it could be said this is just a normal prediction as a normal human being. Say Ghana ni bia sorry say oh me predict Ghana ye be winni your board run so e be call penalty ni nkofo be say no it could be say me na be call kasa na mumu ni me say me your prophet inti no wo be fan say me ma adwen in America and so it could be say also bempa na adwen keke e no oka but because we know also bempa in a certain way no ye so ye be dream extra amano so ene nyame na yi a che no. It's me want to say this is the point where the confliction is coming from. Me want to say confliction no a misunderstanding in the sense say nkofo bi susu say owusu bempa de insem bi obeken bia no nyame na yi che nti no asem we so nyame na yi a che no and I could be say nyame yi a che no a normal prediction and also bempa kan because some other kan me the story be bremo owusu bempa before Ghana yebebo Guinea Bissau no. And I am say before Ghana bebo Guinea Bissau no me the story be bremo owusu bempa eko kai ewo say Neat FM say nyame yi nche ne ye but ono de woye Ghana ni nko ade wo gidi say ye bompa ya Ghana betumi wini AFCON no owusu bempa made that statement say nyame yi nche ne ye ewo Neat FM into no we obi a we follow this particular statement that we say ebia asem we owusu bempa kai no it was just a prediction. But ye near him say also bempa there. A son says sometimes or customer MPP nintino. Say NDC 4B it to me find the hot time. A cassa omo the year politics say when Ashen come say Ghana 4B we need not just say come now Ashen say a Kufa we need 2020 election and so and also MBIM. I know na young pro for NDC 4B person omo the year politics. Inti assembly there ne crack and a me makano. Media whether you side with me, whether you don't side with me, the credit say owusu bempa media me who say a prediction and now warmer. But we don't know him to be that way. Ye himself what can say bia wono de nyame ene ya chen intino ye ya adwen ama no. E na ebetumi aba so say owusu bempa a prophecy but ambemu no e na wo twitwaje ne ho sa na ebetumi aba but media I'm just speaking from what I am seeing and from the previous conversation na owusu bempa ama ye ni ayate ase se nyame eyi bibia nche ne ye nti wo kasa fansem we hu a prediction nti ansa na obekọ na sorry abeka sa audio we ameboche no Neat FM e no koka plain e wo ho se nyame yi nche ne ye nti no me no matse sa side no masanso ehu dia akoso nti to me ne de me hu ne say owusu bempa prediction keke e na warmer atiase so we can't really hold him. Now, I say, Nyamine yatre me say ya. Audio no ye ni ayete ye. Wan kase Nyamine yitre me. Intino also Bempa himself responded to this. Okay FM. Ono responded to we. Eka say, ono the prediction and na warmer. Say Ghana for young Bompire. Just like what I have said. Inti young Congo tin say also Bempa so what the two ja.
Them so wa bruchimpo. Okay. So for so Bempa kase Ghana beshe. Go. Man ka se nyame ne makasa se Ghana be hye
okay
e ti se de ono na fo di nkomo na ka so we ne de Ghana for Blaster for match no ko bono on be hye eno nkyere se wo ye sofo wo ni nkomo eno nkyere se wo ye sofo wo ntimi nkyere wagene eno nkyere se wo ye sofo wo ntimi nka sempa emfa ma wo man na wo Blaster na nka me ma ba abonti an be ka se Ghana fo yi nyame ene makasa ntimi hye nkom se Ghana the African Cup no ebeba Ghana a Blaster for the beba Ghana where ye di nyame aka kire me and I make kire Ghana dia ko bi beka so usu bempa hyen control
etie for say ye ni ayate response awo usu bempa wo mai the response na wa ye it was over 20 minutes or kasa it was also kasafa Eagle Prophet ho usu bempa kasa wo no de ohun ne say Eagle Prophet and na wo beka say nyame yatre wono Eagle Prophet ne say Ghana ye be wini AFCON and the crack Eagle Prophet can say Ghana be winning AFCON, but there is a but. Eagle Prophet as also Babonti before Ghana you be free crano. Ghana and Brad still you will say Satan now fancy any Guinea Bissau Ebebono. Eagle Prophet Babonti Ebeka say yes, Nyami Treno say Ghana you be winning, but the only way a Ghana you be winning is say Asamoah any the day are you. Ye map peace eba between them and Ombe winning. The only way Eagle Prophet can or see the only way a Ghana be winning AFCON is say Asamoah need the day are you omu tune in ya wo mombo bono. Na Asamoah ne nye captain na the day are you mbo like omu tune in ya mbo. Omu ti omo ho ase no mbo. Into no Eagle Prophet ne say eno na nyame yi tre no say ye ne saa ye be winning. Into no the first match Kwesi Appiah ball ya wo ma Asamoah ante na bench no eno no Eagle Prophet hun say Kwesi Appiah say in commission no into no before Ghana be film kra no Eagle Prophet eba bonten ebe kai say Ghana de Kwesi Appiah aye nti say wa ma Asamoah ote bench no enti Ghana sebe AFCON no ye ndu bibia ye be film ya oba bonten be kai and then the crenso is pepe. It's yes, indeed, Eagle Prophet. I think when the year started, there was a year and a chance yes and I saw for the brave but I'm the prophecy for I think the year eba. It's Eagle Prophet so the near by a man Crawford here say you and the Ghana be winning. It's a year about tournament na ye do baby tournament no. Say you top your group no say then na still Crawford of them so Ghana ya top your group into ye be queen. Your top of your group no ba bon tebeka se dabi Kwesi Appiah asay in conscience no nti tie for no ene asema eda ho tre wadwen e wo comment box ni mo me da say